Hello everyone. In this video, we'll talk about the list comprehensions. So first, we'll try to understand what is list comprehensions, right? It is used for creating a new list from other iterables. When you talk about the iterables, a list, tuple, dictionary, and the string is an iterable, right? We already see that using in for loop, right? So, for example, when you take a string, you can iterate over the string, right? Let me show you, right? For I in name print I. See, we are able to iterate over the string, right? So the outcome of any list compression is a list, right? So I'm repeating myself again. The list compression is used for creating a new list, which means the outcome of any list compression is a list from other iterables. And the other iterables means it can be a string, list, tuple, dictionary, etc. Right? So what we'll do is we'll try to see how the list comprehensions works for this particular string, right? So it's very straightforward. We need to put the square brackets I for I in name. Did you see this? I got a list. As I told you, the outcome of a list comprehension is always a list, right? So when you ask me to compare this with this particular statement, did you see? For I in name, did you see? For I in name, right? What this but first I does is it is just printing, right? The printing the value, right? So we'll take few more examples and we'll try to understand even the deeper. For example, maybe I'll take a list. Is it list equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4? Now what I need to do is I need to multiply by 3 for each value in the list, right? So I'll say x into 3. We know what to write next, right? For x in LST. Did you see this? Not just this, we can also write an if conditions inside a list compression. So we already know, right? So using for loop and if condition, we check in a given list what are the even numbers and odd numbers, right? We'll try to do the same. So LST equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4, right? So now I'm saying x for x in LST. We know what happens. We'll get the same loop again, right? I mean the same list again because we are not doing anything, right? Now what I'm saying is print x. This we are maybe we can assume we are printing as this x is helping us to create a new list, but for now just understand, assume that x is printing something like what you're seeing here, right? What I'm saying is if x mod 2 double equal to 0. Oops, sorry. Did you see? It just printed only 2. Of course, we can store it in a new variable called L, and yeah, here we go, right? Now, in this example, what we did is we just got only the values which are even, right? So what I want to do is, so wherever I see odd, which is like 1 and 3, in that particular place, I want to replace with 0, right? And the even numbers I want to print. So it will be something like a 0, 2, 0, 4, right? So obviously what I need to do, I need to use else, right? In this example, we'll see how to use an if and else in the list comprehensive, right? So I need to just print x, the value as it is, when if x mod 2 double equal to 0, else it should be 0 for x in LST. Did you see? 0, 2, 0, 4. Wherever there is an odd value, we are just putting 0, and in case of even we are putting the actual value, right? Hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.